SILCHAR gi BANGA BHAWANda Young Manipuri Council ASSAM YMCA gi Chahi Subagi Mapok Kumon Thouram Mapung Fana Pangthokhre ngasigi Thouram aduda Young Manipuri Council ASSAM YMCA gi President Ramen Luwang Manipuri Autonomous Council Demand Coordination Committee ASSAM gi Chairman Kangabam Santi Kumar Singh retired ACS Manipuri Sahitya Parisad ASSAM gi former President Ngangom Joy Kumar Singh YMCA gi Legal Advisor Ngangom Ramakanta No Heritage Council Harikon District Council Jarivam ki President Sanjam Sani Kumar Singh Women Action Committee for Village Protection ki President Sunita Konthozam na Chingbana Sarugyaki Thouram ki Chief Guest Oikiba Kangabam Santi Kumar Singh retired ACS na haikibada nauna safongla kliba Young Manipuri Council Assam YMCA na Assam gi maru oina Manipuri Singh gi achoba thaudang kaya lauduna amadi Saukhatpa afaba thabak kaya taurakani haina phongdoki loinena hauzik mangda tariba Assam Manipuri Singh gi demand sing punna hona minaduna mai pak naba hona minasi haiba wafam sing phongdoki